Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Laura here from BrushFalls Studios and Larry here from BrushFalls Studios.
Hi.
We have some exciting news today. Larry and I just opened up a TikTok account and we're going to start filming on TikTok. Also, I have three videos up. One is very old. I just tried to play and experiment. But there's two within 2 days. So go check it out. Our link is going to be in our description on the YouTube channel. And I have another very important, exciting news.
Before you get to that, you do have one other big announcement. You got the owie on your finger. Show them which one. Okay, that's a bad idea. Go back to your announcement.
Larry, you should box. God. Anyways, thanks, Larry. Anyways.
It's one of these three. Can you guess which one?
We're our own comedy act. You should see us in the stores. We make people laugh all the time by being goofy. It's not even right. Anyways, let's stop fooling around.
What?
I got an order for my first commission piece, and they're not in the United States. They're all the way in New Zealand.
What?
I am so thrilled. She is getting married, and not for another year, but she wanted me to create some pieces, and I have her colors. I'll show it to you if I can get it up on screen, but she has 4 colors she wants me to work with, and I'm going to do a couple techniques on small canvases. These are just 12 by 12. We're going to see how this goes. If she doesn't like the background, we can play around with color. We can go shopping and get some more colors. So here we go. I've got a small 12 by 12 canvas, and I'm going to use a yellow base coat. So come on down. I'll put some music on so you guys can relax while we paint. First technique I'm going to do is I'm going to freehand it. And then if she doesn't like it, we can do another one. I forgot to mention, guys, we have Blick's Blue Deep Red. I apologize. Everybody wants to know what colors, and I'm so sorry.
I can put them in a box.
No, I don't like that. Deco Art, Deep Sapphire. We have 24 karat gold. We have amethyst. And I've got some accessory colors. Actually, this one is, let me go grab it. This one's a pale violet by Artist Loft. Yes, sometimes I get these on sales, and this was on a clearance. Sometimes they discontinue. And then I've got an accessory color. This is Deep Magenta by Artist Loft. So So sometimes when you make commission pieces, there's one of too many colors. One is more dominant than another. I did this to how I do art and how I do creativity. If she doesn't like it, everybody to each their own. Everybody's different. So I'm going to reach out to her tonight. It's 17 hours ahead of me. What time is it?
3 o'clock in the afternoon.
So it's 5. What time is it? It's about
Morning, 7, about 10 in the morning.
10 in the morning. So she's at work tomorrow, 17 hours ahead of us. So this will dry. It's not good to send her wet because the variance on the drying time will be different. So I'm gonna give this a couple days, and we will touch back, and I'll let you know if she likes it or doesn't like it. So, anyways, I am so glad you're here. I'm so happy to have you on part of our channel, and all the subscribers of love, support, and all your beautiful comments. So I wish you well for the rest of your day, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Okay? Okay.
Okay, then.
Okay. Bye, guys. See you next time.
Bye.